Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all of you. How have you been? I hope that you all are doing great and I am also doing fantastic by the grace of Almighty God. So right now, as you can see, I have come here to play cricket. Okay, so just look at today's weather. It's full of cloud, and because the sky is cloud, because as you know that the cyclone Raymal attacked on our coastal area last Saturday, Sunday, so that's why the skies remain overcast till now. And you know, when it attacked on our area, from that time the rain was started, and it was raining from last Sunday till the next whole day. So that's why I think today is also the sky is cloud. Okay, so right now I am here at Central Idgah in Naranganj. I have come here to play cricket. Okay, so today I have come here with my one of my friend Siam, who is batting behind me, and one of my little brother Snigdo. I can't find Snigdo right now. Okay, so it's not a usual grass field. It's a field, it's a field where Muslims are come to prayers, their Eid Salah. Okay, so okay, as you can see, for Eid purpose, the field is organized with a lot of bamboo here. So okay, so I'm just trying to make a video so that I can share this video at my Facebook page as well as my YouTube channel. Okay, so nothing to say, it was very tough to come here because the roads from where I came here, it was full of water, because it was heavy rain in past few days. That's why the roads were full of water, and it is very hard to find any rickshaw or auto to come here. So I was waiting for 20 minutes to got a rickshaw, and finally I have got a rickshaw, and then I have come here. Okay, so yes, okay, so now it's time to play cricket. I don't want to make it more longer. Thanks for watching. All the very best.